SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It is a concept that basically means improving the ranking of a site in the search engines so that more people will find it and thus, increase the amount of traffic that visits the site. This type of marketing has been around for quite some time. In fact, it was first used by companies as a way to improve their visibility and ranking in search engine results pages. They would use SEO videos as marketing tools for their businesses. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about video marketing tips for SEO. How to use video as a method of SEO. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. The reason why this form of marketing works so well is because videos are indexed very quickly by the search engines. People who search on YouTube or other video sites will see your video first. In addition, this type of marketing is inexpensive when compared to traditional forms of marketing. Other marketing strategies can be very costly when you compare them to video marketing. There are many different ways to promote a business using video. You can do blog posts and articles and even write several books regarding your products and services. These should all have videos, so that people can get a better understanding of what you are trying to sell. You can post these videos on your website, in your email signature, on your social networking pages, and anywhere else you put any marketing information. Video marketing allows you to reach hundreds, if not thousands, of customers at the same time. You can tell someone about an upcoming event, a video stream, or you can simply upload your latest video to share with anyone who is online. The more exposure that you get to your business, the better chance that you have of getting new customers. A great way to get your videos out there is by using YouTube. YouTube is the most popular online video sharing service. When creating your YouTube videos, it is important that you put the keywords that you are promoting in the title. It is also a good idea to put as much information as possible within the video itself. This will allow people to get the information that they are looking for as soon as they watch the video. If you are not comfortable with making videos, there are others out there that are willing to do this for you. Another way to take advantage of SEO video marketing is to create press releases and send them to local newspapers. Many times the writers for these publications need video examples to use. It is always a good idea to give these reporters as many options as possible. If you have any questions, most local newspaper reporters are more than happy to help you. If they don't, just ask for their own contact information and the process will be much easier on you. Marketing offline, you can turn to brochures and business cards. These are great because they are already formatted to fit in a standard size paper. You will need to print out copies of these though, so make sure that you have plenty of space. You will also find that people are more receptive to handing out marketing materials if you offer them something free in return. A discount or some kind is almost always a welcome gift. The best thing about video marketing though is that it is an extremely effective method of marketing. Not only is it very affordable but you can start promoting a product for very little money. If you aren't sure about how to create videos, all you have to do is look up the basics. There are some really good tutorial websites that can help you learn what you need to know. All that you have to do now is start applying the methods. Thanks for watching my video about video marketing tips for SEO. How to use video as a method of SEO. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.